Kaya lang. I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad.
Later, awarding na naman. Excited lang makita yung lahat ng Extra Ultimate members, lalo ng Power Team Aces. Out of 275 people ang nakakuha ng free gadget. So, mamaya kita-kits tayo sa Richville Hotel, Show Boulevard, 6 p.m.
Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear.
Hello, good morning! Yeah! Ang dami natin, no? Last time, around mga less than 20 lang kami na umattend sa gadget promo. But then right now, I would like to congratulate everyone na deserving talaga sa ganitong makapunta dito kasi if you did your part as a member, talagang i-award yun sa'yo. Yung pinaka-deserving mo, i-award sa'yo. So, congratulations to everyone. Palakpakan natin.
A lot more than FEMA did. Can't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I have my own theme music.
Every time I close my eyes,
What you see, bro?
Lumuwas, pati na yung galing sa ibang ano dito. Ibang planeta, kaya Hong Kong! Hong Kong! Ito pa, Saudi, US, may Davao din. Ito, Davao, Bicol.
New York, Cubao.
Oman, wow, grabe. So, kung makikita mo, ang SWA hindi lang para sa kung saan meron na kapitbahay mo or kagaya ng ibang company, di ba? Sa SWA, all out na lahat yun. Kumbaga lahat na kailangan mo, nasa SWA na, or kahit saan ka man, kahit saan ka man, para sa iyo yung SWA. So first, I would like to say na dito sa SWA naman, hindi mo kailangan maging magaling talaga muna. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to believe in yourself na you can do great things to start with small things. Around 2 months ata bago ako kumita ng $20. So that $20, kung isipin mo grabe ang liit, tapos kung isipin mo sino magtsatsaga dun sa $20 na yun for that 1 month. So struggling financially, where sabi ko, I have to believe on this na lahat ng malaki nagsisimula sa maliit. Yung 20,000 na yan, isipin mo, hindi ka lang para dyan. You have to set your value, wherein your value will determine yourself. Ano ibig sabihin nun? If you want to become a millionaire, you have to set your value as a millionaire.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking
So, ano dapat mong gawin as a millionaire? Tutulog-tulog, 24 hours? Hindi naman, di ba? As a millionaire mindset, you have to do your part to become a millionaire. Kasi hindi ka pa millionaire ngayon eh. You have to adapt change. You have to improve yourself, wherein, yung simula ako, $20, the next one, sabi ko, I have to do better than this. Diba? Sabi ni Coach, get better, get better. After you set yourself with your value, hindi mo lang kailangan ito yung bumalik. Kailangan you set your business with a purpose to help other people to achieve their goals also. Then you have to believe in God that everything na nangyari sa atin ngayon, yung blessing na nangyari sa atin ngayon, hindi dahil sa iyo, hindi dahil sa effort mo, hindi dahil sa kung ano man. It's because of God na nagbibigay sa atin ng blessing. Our provider is God, and then using as channel, Sir Chavez, to be the blesser dun sa gadget, mga nakikita natin. So, whatever it is, maliit na yan, malaki man yan, darating ka sa malaki, be grateful always.